Today we have a great example of full frame install. The frame is completely rotted, water is coming in, we even have a hose where chipmunks can jump in. So this is a great example of full frame installation. Let's get started. In this case, the homeowner picked Pella fiberglass units in exterior tan color, interior white. These are going to be very solid and sturdy units for the size of these openings. Great choice. Let's get them installed. Window has been installed. Flashing tape has been applied on the sill pan to make sure no moisture can get to it. And now the next step would be foam insulation and interior and exterior trim work. Final step finished, exterior trim applied, and sealed to the brick. Doesn't it look great?